Hey everyone, thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over On My Block by Scarface. Really cool guitar riff. I really love these hip hop riffs. They're usually, maybe 5 or 6 different chords and a fun little progression that loops the entire way. So once you get the progression down, you've got the entire song, which I think is pretty cool. And usually these chords are, it's a different type of chord structure than your traditional, jam band type song usually. So I really like these. This one's really fun. There was a tiny desk that was just released of Scarface, which I will put in the description if anyone wants to check that out. It is fantastic. Awesome music. So that's what led me to doing this song today. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell for notifications. I do greatly appreciate it. If you're new or returning and you like these videos, please leave me a like, comment, just something to let me know that you are here, because I do greatly appreciate it. So like I said, we got some fun different chords to dig into here, so let's hop in. Okay, so this is a really cool riff. I really like it. And the chords are, so we've got A flat here, and then I think, so technically, this is more of a piano song, so technically if you're playing this next chord, which is a E flat over G, I've been playing it just like this, so basically like a C minor 7, where I'm barring my 3rd fret here, middle finger is on that 4th of the B, and then I've got my ring on the 5th of the D there. So we're going here. So that's all the chords there. So again, we start with the A flat here, into the C minor 7, to an F7. So F7, barring that 1st fret there. Middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the G, and ring is on the 3rd of the A, which are F7 there. So A flat, A flat, C minor 7, F7. This one's a really weird chord here, but I really like it. So this is a B flat 9 sus 4. So we are barring this 1st fret here. I'm really only focusing on the D through the high E. I think you can, it sounds a little bit different if you hit that A in there. So barring that, and then I've got my middle finger here, which is a little bit of a stretch, on the 4th fret of that high E. Okay, so alright, and from here we go to an E flat, and then you've got a little riff after the E flat. Sorry. That's the most basic that pretty much hear throughout the song. So after your E flat here, so E flat again is just barring the 6th and the 8th frets. So then here on this B, 6th of the B, and then 8th of the G there. And then so 6th of the B, 8th of the G, 6th of the B again, hammer into the 8th of the B. So you can do that twice there. So and you can mess around with those riffs at the end there. Another one I tend to play a lot. So I like playing that one there as well. So after that E flat. So you're still starting here on that 6th fret of the B to that 8th here of that G. So the first part's the same. So then after you do that first part, so we're here on this 4th fret of that B, sliding into the 6th, back to that 4th there, 5th fret of the G, and then resolving on that 4th fret of that B. Alright, just play through that slowly here real quick. Okay, so that's really it. Like I said, there's not a whole lot to it. And again, once you get the rhythm down and the chords down, you've got the song. It loops over and over. If you haven't listened to this song before, I highly recommend it. It's a great hip hop song, and it's a great little chord progression to play around with. Just nice little practice, just bouncing around between these chords in kind of a quick fashion. So yeah, I really like it. I hope you guys like it as well. Hope this helps you guys out. Please leave any feedback, comments below. See you guys again.